Why is Antarctica not allowed to go? People are not allowed to travel freely to Antarctica, or why there is limited human activity on the continent. It and oppose, as because of the international agreements in place to protect its unique and fragile environment. The Antarctic Treaty, which was signed in 1959 and came into force in 1961, governs the continent of Antarctica. The treaty and oppose, as primary goal is to ensure that Antarctica remains a continent dedicated to peace, science, and international cooperation. The treaty has several provisions, including prohibiting military activities and mineral mining, prohibiting nuclear explosions and waste disposal, encouraging scientific research and cooperation between countries, ensuring the protection of the environment. Additionally, the Protocol on Environmental Protection to the Antarctic Treaty, also known as the Madrid Protocol, was adopted in 1991 to further protect the Antarctic environment. This protocol designates Antarctica as a natural reserve devoted to peace and science and sets out detailed environmental protection measures. Because of these agreements, human activities in Antarctica are highly regulated and tourism is limited. Visitors typically need permission from their government or an organization that is part of the Antarctic Treaty System. This helps ensure that the impact on the environment is minimized and that the continent remains a place for scientific research and peaceful purposes.